Pasukan Israel membakar rumah sakit Indonesia di Gaza Utara, Palestina, Senin waktu setempat. Menurut saksi, tentara juga telah membakar gedung-gedung tempat ribuan orang berlindung. Insiden rumah sakit Indonesia di Gaza yang terbakar kali ini terjadi tak lama setelah rumah sakit dikepung dan ditembaki pada akhir pekan lalu.
The night, the Indonesian hospital exposed to attack by the Israeli forces, and they attacked the second and third floor. Now we have 40 patients, 30 of them they are injured patients. There is some of the patients they are very serious and they need oxygen and they need critical care. So the light, electricity is off since midnight, and the medical staff they cannot make the generator on because of the a lot of attack and a lot of danger.